Hello, friends. Today we are going to one of the most luxurious hotels in Egypt, Rixos Premium Seagate in Sharm El Sheikh. This is a place where Oriental flavor is combined with a high level of service. I will tell you everything, from the rooms to the kitchen, the beach, and entertainment. Let's go! Before we begin, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. This will help develop our project and make even more useful reviews. Thank you. Rixos Premium Seagate is located in the Nabq Bay area, about 15 minutes drive from Sharm El Sheikh Airport. The hotel is located right on the coast of the Red Sea, a great place for both beach and active recreation. The rooms are spacious, stylishly decorated in light colors with Oriental accents. Large beds, balconies overlooking the garden, pool, or sea. Each room has a coffee machine, minibar, bathrobes, slippers. Meals are on the ultra all-inclusive system. A huge selection of dishes, from Egyptian cuisine to Italian, Turkish, and Asian. The main restaurant, plus 8 a la carte restaurants, including Japanese, Mexican, Indian. There is also a 24-hour snack bar, coffee shops, ice cream, and freshly squeezed juices at no extra charge. On the territory, there are many places to relax. Cozy lounge areas, evening shows, theme nights, live music. There is even a nightclub. And if you want silence, just walk along the green territory dotted with palm trees. The hotel's feature is a private pontoon and a separate pier leading directly to a living coral reef. You can put on a mask and immediately find yourself in the underwater world. This is a paradise for snorkelers. The Egyptians say, "A guest is a messenger of God." And indeed, this is exactly how you feel in this hotel, surrounded by attention and care. There are 7 swimming pools on the territory, heated, children's, sports, and even with seawater. There is also a water park with slides, fun for both adults and children. The beach is private, wide, and clean. Entry into the sea from a pontoon is standard for the Red Sea. But there is also a lagoon with a sandy entry, which is convenient for children and those who do not like corals. Rixie Kids Club is a separate world for children. Animators, a children's restaurant, a play area, a mini disco, and even its own water park. Parents can relax peacefully. Children are under supervision. The spa center offers a Turkish hammam, saunas, massages, and facial and body care treatments. There is a modern gym with air conditioning, trainers, and group classes. The average cost of a 10-day stay for 2 is about $3,000 to $3,500, excluding flights. Everything is included, from meals to access to all entertainment. Hotel pros: high level of service, various food, ideal for families, excellent snorkeling, high-quality animation, lots of entertainment for adults. Hotel cons: entry into the sea only from the pontoon may be inconvenient for some. There are a lot of people in high season. High price compared to other hotels in Egypt. Visitors' reviews: many tourists note the cozy atmosphere, professional staff, and variety of food. They often come back again. Cons usually concern little things, like queues at restaurants or busy times during peak hours. Book in advance and choose rooms away from the amphitheater if you want peace and quiet. And be sure to take a mask and snorkel with you so as not to miss the main charm of the Red Sea.